Hello and welcome to a Horst Wagons video tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over the universal header pad from Horst Wagons and a variation of different setup positions to maximize the usability and protection during road travel. The universal header pad is a multi-configurating combine header pad built to provide stability and protection for all applications, thus adding better stability during road travel with no need to stock several pads to accommodate various heads. The triple adjustment feature ensures that each resting point is perfectly positioned no matter make or model. In this video, we'll be going over 3 application setups used to maximize the protection of your combine head. These applications being base pad, large pad for most draper heads, high back pad for flex draper heads, The universal header pad consists of several parts and components, including short pin, long pin, base pad, clamp assembly, conversion plate, large pad. The base pad. Begin by removing the hairpins of both short pins located in between the clamp and the large pad assembly. With a partner, position yourselves on either side of the large pad unit. Have your partner apply stabilizing support while removing both pins from the bottom of the pad assembly. Once the pins have been removed, together lift the large pad assembly off the base and gently place it safely away from any obstructions. Lastly, place one of the pins you previously removed in the front hole and secure it with a hairpin. Overview positions. 1. Remove pins. 2. Remove pad assembly as a unit. 3. Locate base pad on rail to desired position. 4. In some applications, installing one pin into hole B may be desirable to keep head from sliding. Large pad for most draper heads. Begin by removing both the long pin and the short pin located at the back of the pad assembly. Swing the corn head plates forward 180 degrees and secure with a short pin. Next, reinstall the long pin to its original position. Lastly, secure both pins using a hairpin. One. Remove pins. 2. Swing 2 corn head plates 180 degrees. 3. Reinstall pins. 4. Locate pad onto the rail to the desired location. High back pad for flex draper heads. Begin by removing the long pin located at the back of the pad assembly and swing the large pad forward 180 degrees. Next, remove the short pin and swing both corn head plates forward 180 degrees, as well as keeping the conversion plate in its original position. Once the corn head plates have been moved, reinstall the short pin to its original position. Lastly, take the long pin and secure it in between the corn head plates and the large pad, and secure the long pin with a hairpin. One. Remove pins. 2. Swing 2 corn head plates 180 degrees. 3. Reinstall pins. 'Whether it's across the road or the country, Horst Wagons Universal Header Pad is the only pad you'll ever need for your combine head. Because we know when your business is resting on our wagons, it's our business to make sure that your equipment can rest easy. For more information and videos from Horst Wagons, be sure to subscribe or visit us at www.horstwagons.com.